Okay then, so today we're going to make something slightly different. Today we're going to make some chili chicken wings. Here we've got about 1 kg of chicken wings and we've washed and chopped them up. Over here we have 2 onions. We actually have 4 cloves of garlic, one of them we've already chopped up. We've got 1 inch of ginger. How many chilies?
5 chilies.
There's about 5 chilies there, all chopped up.
A tablespoon
of dried chilies. And
coriander, you know, just a little bit.
And a little bit of coriander chopped up.
And soy sauce.
And we've got some soy sauce.
Finally chop up the garlic, or you can grate them.
Okay then, so we're going to heat the pan and add a little bit of oil.
Just to fry the skimmed chicken with a little bit of water. And then we put the chicken in the pan. We're skimming the chicken, you know, get all the skim out of the chicken first before we start frying. Do this on a high heat. All the water comes out.
You put a little bit of extra water in it there?
Yeah. Just to skim out all the, you know, the chicken. Make it simmer for a little while. Say for about 2 minutes. Now it's ready. Strain out the skimmed water. Now the pan's hot. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now put your onions in the pan. And give it a little stir and fry for about 2 minutes. Or 1 to 2 minutes. You got to put the chicken in there. Lower the heat. Put your chicken back in the pan. And stir. It's more like a stir fry, really. But you got to keep stirring. This chicken cooks fast, you know. Cook for fry for about 2 minutes. This is a saucy chicken wing chili. Now you put your chopped ginger and garlic. you sprinkle a tablespoon of soy sauce, or as required, you know, if you need a bit more. Give it a stir. Add about half a cup of water. Now cover it up and cook it for about 15 minutes till the chicken is nearly cooked. Now give it a stir. It's left out a lot of water. Nearly cooked. It's not cooked yet. Now it's time to put the other ingredients. Put the flake chilies and give it another stir.
Get a tablespoon of corn flour.
Add a bit of water to the corn flour. Mix it up. No lumps. Add it to the pan. Give it a little stir. And now add your green chilies. Add your green chilies. And your coriander. Just turn off the heat and get ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell.